Landry. What a catch! Holy mackerel! Jarvis Landry.
Again the play fake. Landry running the post. Pass is underthrown, but he made the adjustment. What a catch! What a remarkable catch by Landry.
3rd and 4, they need to reach the 2 for the first down. Mettenberger looks to the corner. Landry, touchdown.
One untimed down to end the 3rd quarter. LSU looking big. Jefferson in trouble now. Throws it downfield. Has a man caught at the 16.
Mettenberger. Touchdown. Landry. Jarvis Landry.
Mettenberger. Landry makes a great catch in traffic. Touchdown. So now 1st and a ton. Mettenberger. Slant route. Landry. Gone. Touchdown. Man, they make that look easy.
That's amazing. Mettenberger goes down the middle. Perfect. Landry slips the tackle. Touchdown.
2nd and goal. There is the play action, as you thought. And there is the result. Touchdown. They're an extra point away.
The football one they got's a true freshman who's going to be a heck of a player. He just missed trying to intercept the pass, and Jarvis Landry took it to the 45-yard line. Mettenberger fires. Caught. Landry, touchdown. Hill, the running back. Mettenberger to throw.
Got him open. Jarvis Landry. Touchdown LSU.
On 1st and 10. Drops back to throw. Takes a look. Cocks and fires. Got a man there. Touchdown. 4th touchdown pass.
Clock. 1st and goal to go from the 7. Mettenberger looking into the end zone. Pass to the near side. Open receiver. Touchdown, and that time it is Landry. Mettenberger to Landry. Touchdown Tigers.
3rd down and 8. Mettenberger standing tall, deep middle, got his man, and off to the races. Landry. Touchdown.
3-man rush. Mettenberger deep in the middle.
What a play.
Wow, Jarvis Landry. And now LSU threatened to take the lead. It's into the corner. Touchdown Landry.
Here's the lone setback. Mettenberger for Landry. Did he catch it? Hands of Velcro. Touchdown